geometric sequence, and the directions are to find the first 4 terms of each geometric sequence. So the terms are these. This is how we specify the terms. A sub 1 would be the first term, right? A sub 2 is the second, A sub 3, things like that. So because the domain of geometric sequences is the natural number set. So here we go. We're going to let n be 1. That's the beginning of the natural numbers. So a sub 1 is 4 to the first, which is 4. Easy. A sub 2, that's with n equal to 2, right? So 4 to the second is 16. I'm just going to continue. A sub 3 is 4 to the third, which is 64, and a sub 4. So it's just a matter of plugging in, and that's 256. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. It's a little more complicated, but it's still the same concept. We just have to plug the numbers in. So I'm going to say a sub 1 would be 50 times a half, 1 minus 1. Well, we know that that's a 0, and we know also that anything to the 0 power is 1. Now, the only thing that's being raised to the 0 power is the 1/2. So what I end up with is that is a 1 there. So a sub 1 is 50. Okay, and I'm going to bring this over to the side because I'm kind of have a couple of a few more steps on that one. So we have 50, going to have a half. Now this time the n is going to be a 2. So we have a sub 2, and that's going to be to the first power, which is just a half, and half of 50 is 25. So there's my second term in the sequence. My third term, 3 minus 1, is going, oops, let me go to the below it. A sub 3 then is 50, and that's going to be a 2, so we're going to say that's a fourth. And then a sub 3 would have to be a fourth of 50, which ends up giving me 12.5. And the last one, the first 4 terms, so we're going to stop with the fourth. So we have 50, 1/2 to the 4 minus 1, and that means going to be to the third. That means that's going to be 1/8. So 50 times an 8, and we get 6.25. Okay, so there are the first 4 terms of each geometric sequence. Thanks for watching.